So what's up guys? Um this is supposed to be day 7 of my daily trading journal. But I'm sorry, this is an apology to myself, to my future self and whoever it is that has been following me up close. I've just this video is supposed to be an apology to my future self and to anyone who's been watching this journey closely. The truth is I've just been down, mentally drained, unmotivated. Even recording a 3 minutes video feels too long to me. But here I am now, not to make excuses, but to remind myself that consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about returning even after sleeping. So yeah, I'm sorry for the days I missed. I missed 2 days. Yes, I honestly don't have any excuse. I've just been very drained mentally, and lack of results just keep demotivating me. But yeah, this is going to be a long video because I haven't even opened my chat since those 2 days that I've been off. This is how tired I was then. So let's just do this. I'm sorry guys, let's do this. I'm going to cover everything that happened today. I didn't check chat today, but yeah, I'm going to do this live right now. So and I'll upload it later. So let's just get right into it. This is good. This is we are in what's today's date? Jesus, I'm sorry about the background noise once again. It's pretty noisy here, so you guys just bear with me. Thursday, yeah. Let's see what price has been doing. Let me bring out my vertical line real quick. I want to see where market opens today. Today is Thursday. Market must have opened. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Market must have opened at 12 a.m. today. Which is this? Yeah, this is this. Alright. So nothing much really happened. Okay, let me just separate this from yesterday. So I want to see where like price is reacting off of Wednesday. Oh jeez, why are people making so much noise? Wednesday markets started here. Okay. So on Wednesday, I'm gonna be starting with a daily time frame. Sorry. Let's see where price is reacting off of. So price failed to take out his eye. Does that mean it's a protected eye? I don't know. Let's just see. It's all speculation. Price might be coming back down here. I don't really know. This looks like a double bottom if you look at it. This point and this point looks like a double bottom. But yeah, let me take this off. Let me just take this off. I'm going to put it back again. So this looks like a double bottom. Looks like a point of liquidity, a draw of liquidity whereby price is coming back to take. Price might do something like this. I don't trade, come to an area of interest here, then go back to take out this who knows. But yeah, I don't trade off of daily time frame. I just use the daily time frame to see the overall picture. Now I'm not interested in all these candlesticks. I'm not really interested. This is what I ship. This is what I'm interested in. So yesterday's candle took out Tuesday's high. It took out Tuesday's low too, which gave us a bearish sentiment here. We have a bearish sentiment. Now today's price, today's candlestick, this is today's candlestick here. Oh jeez, what is that noise? God, I'm so sorry guys, so sorry. Oh god, oh why sorry for the noise. So yeah, this is our daily overview. This is what we're concerned about. Price is in this range. I don't know. Price is holding to like this. Oh no, let's just go to the lower time frame to get the proper view here. I'll be heading down. Let's check the 4 hours time frame if there's something interesting in there. Now if you look at the lower time frame here, you see that the picture is way different from what you're seeing on higher time frames here. Look at this now. Yeah, this is the point of interest, although it doesn't really look valid to me. A sweep of liquidity on 4 hours. Sorry. A break of market structure to the upside. Yeah, take this off. I'm taking this off too. So yeah, if I should bring out my Fibonacci to mark out the premium and discount zone, price is already at the discount zone now. So any point from here, price could buy and continue going up. But we check the daily time frame here, we know that price is reacting from a failed price failed to take out this high, so price is reacting off of it. Now this is where it gets tricky. Yeah, where's the board? Oh sorry, this is where things get tricky. Price is reacting off of this, so we don't know which sentiment to follow. But the old sentiment on gold is bullish right now. You can only say that okay, price is going to, this is the last low before the upward movement. So if price take out this low, then we can say okay, maybe price is now bearish to take out this main low, this daily equal low target. But in as much as we are still in this range, price can react off of any zone from here, then continue the bullishness. Price can do something like, because price can even buy off from this zone because it's already in the discount zone. There's something we call discount and premium. Yeah, this is the equilibrium. This middle here is the equilibrium. This is the discount and this is the premium zone. Yeah, so price is already in the discount zone. If I use like my there's a tool I use whereby I get the exact fib level of where price might want. Okay, as you can see, it falls under this perfectly. You can see where price is reacting off of. And if you look at this, price already react to a fair value gap here. Once again, I don't know, a lot of your folks should already know what fair value gap is. Price reacted off of a fair value gap here, and another fair value gap reaction has occurred here too. So this zone looks pretty valid to me. Honestly, it does. But we just keep looking at. So I'm going to take all these off. Chart looks rough. Let me delete all this here. I'm going to delete all that and make it neatly. So we have our liquidity sweep here, the break of structure here. This is our break of structure, and this is our strong low for now. Let me just mark this as our strong low. This is our strong low. Let me text that. Strong low. I mean protected low. This low is still protected. Protected low. Alright. Remember, we're in the 4 hours time frame, and I don't ever take trades in the 4 hours time frame. It's just too big for me. Now let's go to the 1 hours time frame here. Okay, as you can see, now we have a clear view. I think I made an analysis on this whereby I said I was going to wait for price to come to this zone. Yeah, I can clearly remember that I said I was going to wait. Why is this so big? Oh shit, 40. Let's put it to 12. It looks too big to me. I said I was going to wait. I don't know, but I'm sure that price is still supposed to come here before moving on. This looks like a pretty valid entry to me right now. So if I'm patient enough, if I had money to risk on a trade, I don't know, this is why I'm coaching myself to be better. If I'm patient enough, I'm not looking for trade quickly, I will just wait for gold to get to this zone. This is the perfect zone I would have risked my money on to enter. Yeah, price retrace to a zone like this, and from here price do something like this, tapping this block, make another retrace, then boom, we have a long short. As you can see, this is a very good entry. Yeah, it's a very perfect thing. If you ever look up with a liquidity, there's nothing to say again. I think I'm just going to be waiting for this zone. We saw, if you notice, we saw something different in the highest time frame here. Now we enter the 1 hour time frame. These are the time frame I trade. Even the 1 hour time frame, I don't trade 1 hour time frame. I'll be pretty interested if price come to this zone, then I'll go to, like, let's say the 15 minutes time frame, then look for another entry point here, something like this, then make an entry off of this. That will give me a crazy good RR, then put my entry and stop loss right here. So that's just it. But for now, I think I'm still going to be looking out for this zone. But if you zoom in the lower time frame, you will see that price is already giving a bullish sign. I don't know, man. This looks good. It looks very confusing right now. This is the last break of structure to the downside. Yeah, and this is the protected high for sellers. If price invalidate this zone, then I think we are buying. There should be a bullish, but for now I don't even see an entry point here, except something that looks like a support. Something that looks like a demand turn supply. This was supposed to go like this, then go like this, but failed. Yeah, price broke through it. Now price might be coming back. As you can see, price stop at this to give a leg off like this, then so price might come back here to retest it, then short back to my point of interest. Yeah, well, I don't know, man. I don't know. I'll just stay out of this, but still looking out for this zone. Yeah, I'll be pretty interested in anything that I want to sell back to this zone, honestly. But if you look at this pretty tiny break of structure, this is another break of structure to the upside. Now price have changed the character, but price is not reacting from any valid zone here that I'm aware of. There's no zone that is valid that price is reacting from. Maybe this zone, I guess we'll know. Maybe this zone doesn't really look valid to me, but my daddy is not the owner of the market, so yeah, that's just that. But what I know is I'm pretty much interested. I even remember that I was going to take my trade from this breaker block. Look how beautiful that setup is. Let's just wait. It's just best. The best decision is just to wait, But I'll give you guys, as you can see, look at this now. Look at this. Take a look at this. It's possible that price might just want to come back here and sell back to clear out this, then boom, up there. Let's just keep watch. I'll keep watching it. Let me set a reminder, an alert, yeah, so I'll be able to know when price take this off. Let me set it here too, so I'll be informed when price take this off, when price break any one of each. So, but I'm pretty much interested in a sell. Look at it. This might actually serve as an inducement, an engineer liquidity for some price, something for price to come back to before selling off. Do something like this to clear this off, then sell back down. So you can see how price is delivering to each other. The lower time frame delivers to the higher time frame. We sell for anything to buy. For buyers to be able to take their orders, we need sellers to sell to buyers. So sellers, I'm anticipating sellers to sell from this zone back down here, but we check on the higher time frame. Price is already at a discount level, so price might actually continue buying from here. We don't know yet. So yeah, let's just keep looking at that. For now, that is what I'm looking out for. This video is already too long. I should cover the reef chart also, but maybe some other time, maybe tomorrow. I'm not planning on bailing out anymore. Let me refresh. Okay, It's been a while. It's been 2 days since I even checked the deriv chart here. I don't even know what's going on in here. Let's pretty look at this fast. Okay, price took out this high and dumping. This is a sweet trade on the 24 hours time frame. If there's an entry point, if you risk a lot of money on this, bro, let's just assume you risk $100 on this, and look at it. This is the fair value gap. It's likely price is coming back down here, but for now the best target here should be here. Looks pretty easy for price to take out. Now imagine you find a better entry in like the 1 hours time frame. You saw that opportunity. Look at this. This is beautiful actually. A 1 hours fair value gap. Price took out. Let me change this to white. Sorry, this is not the chart settings I use. I just don't want to like waste everybody's time before editing this. Let me change it to white. Price took out a daily high. Yeah, it's liquidity. Now price left a fair value gap. In this market, one thing I've come to learn is that patience is virtue. Once you're patient here, you see a lot of opportunities, and I keep wanting to believe that myself, but whenever I have money to risk, I'm always blowing it up. I wish it was that easy to just stick to the goddamn rule. It's easier said than done, honestly. If I'm patient enough to just wait for the perfect entry, I would have, I won't be in this messy situation right now. But I just hope I keep learning from my mistake. Now look at this. Price left the perfect fair value gap, and price came back to tap into that fair value gap. If you like someone that has a lot of money to risk, you can just enter, put your stop loss, since you know that okay, price is 80% not coming back to this. This looks like a pretty much stop loss for me. I won't have used this. Price is coming back to this high. Now the target we have on daily time frame, where is that target? I think it's somewhere around. I had a target on the daily time frame here. Okay, this is it. Let me change this to white. Yep, this is the target. Now the target is, this should be more than 6-hour trade. Lovely 7-hour. This is a 7.47 hour. Let's say you risk 50, even $50 or $10 on this. That's like $70 if you can wait. Yeah, that is if you can wait. And I know a lot of people that will find another trade opportunity in the lower time frame here. Sorry. Now price left another point of entry here. This is supposed to be a demand zone, but price broke through. Now it's going to turn. There's a 70% chance that this is going to turn to a supply zone. Now this is another entry opportunity. Your liquidity here, price is supposed to take this out, then another entry here. Yup, the same target. This should give a lot of error because now you're in the lower time frame. Sorry, my English shit. This is 8.58 hour. I'm going to, once I'm done with this video here, I'm going to edit my chart and mark this up right, so I'll be able to give you guys updates on how it's going. But yeah, if I'm to take this trade, I'll be looking to enter from here. Lovely entry, honestly, lovely entry. So that's all for today's, guys. I'll be watching out for this on gold. Look at this setup, looks pretty good, right? I'll be watching out for this on gold. Bitcoin, I have nothing on that. I haven't even touched anything on Bitcoin. So see you guys tomorrow, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.